What's up mga idol? Don't forget to subscribe my new channel, Marv's Gennady Lunsky. Subscribe mga idol. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa nag-subscribe sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. God bless you po. God bless you all. God bless. Salamat. Guys, what's up? Tayo po ay kakanta guys. By G Brothers, kung sakaling kayo nalayo. There we go. Song title guys ay kung sakaling kayo nalayo. By G Brothers. Kung darating man isang araw, kay nilis at di na matanaw, tigil sa pag-ikot ang mundo, dahil wala ka na sa piling ko. Kung ika'y magmahal na ng iba, anong halaga ang mabuhay pa? Dalhin mo na ang araw at ang buwan, di nasisikat kailanman. Kung sakaling ikaw'y lalayo, dalhin mo na rin pati ang puso ko, pagkat ito ay di natitibok sa buhay na puno na ng kirot. Ang tako na lang pag-iusap, saan ka man ngayon o hirap, kung sana ako kalimutan, ating nakaraan at sarap. Kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, dalhin mo na rin pati ang puso ko, pagkat ito ay di natitibok sa buhay na puno na ng kirot. Hintayin ko lang pag-iusap, saan ka man ngayon o hirap, sana kung kalimutan ang ating nakaraan at ay sarap. Kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, sakaling ikaw ay lalayo. Okay, maraming salamat. Alright, next song mga idol, song by Tommy Shaw, Count on You. So here we go. When I feel like the world's gone mad, that I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are, I cry these tears all alone. In my heart's alone, there's one thing in my life that's always true. I can count on you, count on you to be there. No questions in the end, no asking why or when, no looking back. Count on you every time to ease my own mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. with just one place to spend the rest of my days. Ever I do, long as it's close to you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why you're here. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, time is so far, just I'm right back where you are. That's me and you, now and forevermore. As the words you buy, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Thank you, my idol.